Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I am so excited. The postman has just arrived with the biggest box. Look! And can you see what it says? It says Glossybox. Right, you might be like, why is it so big? Well, let me tell you. This month, Glossybox have partnered with Remington, and for those of you that don't know, I get Glossybox in PR because they're just wonderful, and I just love them, and they send me Glossybox. I can't get it out. Anyway, oh, this month they've partnered with Remington, and in here is something very exciting. Oh, it's very heavy. Let me get it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so as you can see, this is different to a normal Glossybox. Now, where the partnering with Remington has come in is these. I'm so excited. Basically, these are the Remington New Straight Confidence 2-in-1 straighteners, and you can see they've got like a curve in them, so you can curl your hair with them as well, because I know some people can curl their hair with straighteners, like normal straighteners. Not me. So I'm very excited about these. You can buy these. I will link everything down below, but you're like, well, where do I come into this? Golden tickets. Glossybox and Remington have put 50 golden tickets in this month's box randomly for subscribers. So you could your box could literally be on its way to you now. The postman could be walking towards your door and you open it up and there's one of these inside, which means you will win a pair of these, which is very exciting. I will do a whole video on these at a later date, but you guys are here for the Glossybox May unboxing, so let's get into it. Oh, the baby just kicked me a good one. He's like, hurry up and get on with it. Right, so this is Glossybox. This is what a normal size Glossybox looks like. This is just a beautiful big PR one that I shall be keeping. Now, Glossybox, for those of you that don't know, is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus £3.25 post and packaging. You can you can pay that every month, where you just do like a rolling contract and you can cancel at any time should you so wish. However, there is a new payment plan where if you sign up for 12 months, you can get the box for £8.50 a month plus £3.25 postage and packaging per month. So it makes it cheap. Makes it much cheaper than doing it for the £10 a month. But yeah, this is Glossybox and I'm very excited. Well, I'm always very excited, but I'm especially excited today. So we've gone back to the traditional pink box and let's have a look. Right. So you get your little card, your glossy book that tells you all about what is in it. I'm not going to look at that yet. And then it's like this. Let's have a little look. Get open. Oh. Here we go. Okay. Let me just see what it says on here. It says, hey Glossies, we're embracing high-end beauty trends this month. From minimal makeup to Korean beauty and sustainable skincare, we've curated a trending beauty edit, and that's what this edit is. Our May box is filled with 5 full-size products, no samples, full size, including makeup must-haves, front-running skincare and award-winning nail care. This month we've also partnered with Remington. If you find a golden ticket, you're one of the lucky winners that will win one of the hair styling tools, the Curl and Straight Confidence 2-in-1 Straightener. So yeah. Let's just jump in. I'm grabbing this first because I've seen people online posting about this and it's so cool. Look at that. How creepy and amazing is that? Right up my street. This is a Dr. Jart and this is a shake and shot rubber firming mask. I am very excited to do this. I'll do a whole video on this because it just looks creepy as balls. And I love it. So, where is this? Here we go. You either get the rubber hydro mask or the rubber firming mask. I've got the firming mask. And when it comes to high performing skincare, Dr. Jart is king. We've created this latest trend in masking, a shaking rubber face mask. Shake and shock rubber mask is a fun DIY rubbery modelling mask. Oh my god, this sounds amazing. But yeah, its innovative cream to sheet formula penetrates deeper into the skin than a traditional sheet mask. And these are £8. There's a bin lorry, and this is full, they're all full size, but yeah, I'm very excited. I just want to have a little, oh, it's got like little, it's a proper crafty thing. Oh, I can't wait to do that. I might do that tonight. So that is the first thing with the creepy baby head that I love. Next up, I've got a Flawless Chisel Cheeks Contour Cream Contour Kit by Barry M. Here we go. This, where are you? This is $7.99. Contouring as a beauty trend is nothing new, but it's time to put 2019 spin on it. Forget the overly sculptured look. This year is all about subtle definition, and that's where your Chisel Cheeks Contour Kit comes in. Apply a dark shade to the cheekbones, jawline and hairline that seamlessly blend in with a lighter shade to smooth out and look subtly define your features. So that will definitely have a go with that. I'll be honest, I'm not very good at contour. I'm not very good at makeup, but I'm not very good at contouring especially. But I will 100% be giving that a try, because it's all fun at the end of the day, isn't it? Ooh, this is Mud Masky, and this is an After Mask Vitamin Serum. pH balance, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, nourishing. Ooh, that looks really cool. I've not heard of an After Mask Vitamin Serum before. This is £43. This serum is the forefront of an up-and-coming beauty trend. The first skincare product in the world, that's probably why I haven't heard of it, specially designed to use after a face mask. It nourishes your complexion with the vitamins your skin will be craving after an intense clay, charcoal sheet or peel-off mask treatment. Apply a thin layer to your face after removing your mask and you'll have smooth, soft skin. Very exciting. Literally never heard of it before. This is paraben free, not tested on animals, and has natural ingredients. See if it smells of anything. If I can get it open. There's no smell to it whatsoever. That's just gone in really, really easily. Very excited to try that. How many times? We should play a drinking game. Every time I say excited, we should drink. I can't. You can drink too. One for you and one for me. Next up, we've got a Beauty Kitchen Naturaline. And this is a lip balm. And this is 100% natural, 0% petroleum. It's got the look of like an old school Vaseline tub, hasn't it? Do you remember those ones? I think you can still get them. They're little tins. This is $2.99. 2019 is all about sustainable beauty. Beauty Kitchen have created this 0% petroleum sustainable lip treatment that is more effective and less greasy than petroleum jelly alternatives. Made with 100% natural ingredients, the balm moisturizes and keeps your lips soft for up to 8 hours. Better yet, the packaging is 100% recyclable. So let's have a look. I've always got dry lips. Every day. No smell to it. Oh, it feels nice. My lips are like sucking it all up because they're like moisture. I like it. And last up we have, oh, you're pretty, Nailberry Oxygenated Nail Lacquer in Love Me Tender. Oh, makes me think of Michelle Lightning Lass because of Elvis. This is, meet the next generation of state-of-the-art nail polish, part of Nailberry's revolutionary Oxygen range. The multi-award winning nail varnishes uses patented technology to deliver a healthier manicure without compromising on colour. Covers your nail with a unique film which allows air and water vapour to pass through it, ensuring your cuticles are protected even while wearing nail varnish. It's a bit fancy, man. It's £14.50. I absolutely love the colour. I'm trying to hide my manky nails. I'm going to redo my nails with this later because that is really, really pretty. So yeah, that was Glossybox for May, the Trending Beauty edit. And there is a sneak peek for next month, which has got the Avon Primer worth £85. Just here. Just here. Yeah. Keep a lookout in your boxes, because you might have got a golden ticket. And if you have, you don't get chocolate, you get straightener curlers, which is very exciting. I will, as I said, I will do a full video on these. I think, let me just have a look. I think you can buy them. The features on them, it says unique twisted plate design, variable temperature with 5 settings, which is really good. I used to always use my straighteners on like the hottest setting. And then when I went blonde, my hairdresser was like, please don't fry your hair. So now I use them on the lowest. So there's only two settings on mine. But that's really good because you don't have to fry your hair when using straighteners. Temperature dial, ultra smooth advanced ceramic coated plates infused with anti-static, digital display and fast heat up time. I think it says they heat up in 30 seconds, which is amazing. And you can buy them from Argos for £119.99 if you aren't one of the lucky winners. If you do win, let me know. I'll be very excited for you. But yeah, thank you so much to Glossybox for sending me this amazing, amazing box. You guys are awesome. But yeah, I've got a discount code I will leave down below for you guys where you can get some money off. But yeah, have a wonderful Saturday and I will see you all very, very soon. Thanks guys, bye.